pitching mount from over here. It's
Yep.
about 60 feet.
That ain't 60 feet.
Yeah, it is.
It's like 30 feet. Yeah. I flipped it from there into there and it worked. I was like, yeet. Did you throw it in the freaking bush? We just lost a water bottle in there. Again, dude. God dang it. You're stupid. uh, it's going on YouTube. It's gonna be our new vlog. If we can find it. What is that?
That's in the house.
Oh my gosh. Do you guys hear that? Well, if you guys can't hear it, there's banging coming from inside the house. Oh my god. Let's go get Sean. Let's get Sean.
No.
Yeah.
Josh, I think that might be, the house is over since people just moved out and they're rebuilding.
No, that's right. Alright, it's been Josh and Cameron Vlogs. We'll see you next week.
If there's stuff going on from the inside of that house, we'll let you guys know.